Factoring breaks down numbers or expressions into their multiplicative components. It's used to simplify expressions, solve equations, and understand mathematical structures, employing methods like finding the greatest common factor, recognizing difference of squares, or grouping terms. In our previous video, we solved 2x raised to 3 plus 8x raised to 2 minus 6x plus 10 divide x minus 2 using long division. And our final answer for that is 2x raised to 2 plus 12x plus 18 plus 46 over x minus 2. Now, what we will do is solve it using factoring. 2x raised to 2 plus 12x plus 18. We can factor out a 2 from each term, so it will be 2 parentheses x raised to 2 plus 6x plus 9. X raised to 2 plus 6x plus 9 is equals to x plus 3 and x plus 3. Now we can see that quadratic inside the parentheses is a perfect square trinomial. Now let's solve.